And one more thing, like with the physical in my line of work, the physical mirrors the emotional. So the physical is not just your physical body, we take that in with pains and stuff, but also like the look of our body as well as our physical environment in our car, our house, our work environment, all of that. So it really is a reflection of what's going on. So if you are in disarray, there's a lot of times, that is reflecting what's going on in your mind or whatever. And I'm completely ADHD, so that is a true reflection. So that's really, I think, been key to helping me, and I think would help a lot of other, like, kids growing up is one, just my God, there's so many distractions, so many distractions. So how can you even how can you concentrate on anything? Maybe it's not them and they can't, they don't they can't learn skills or whatever. Maybe you have the TV on or there's 50 million things going on, or I mean, just having so many things in the house, it's a constant distraction anyways. So I remember fighting with my mom because she wanted me to read, and there was, the TV was on, and then, and she had to turn all the things off, and I would just cry because I wasn't interested, and it was like pulling teeth. But if you get interested in things, then you want to learn. So maybe making things, getting distracted now. Anyways, that's a maybe an easier way to make kids learn is to turn off all the distractions and um, learn about things they want to learn